Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. My name is Racquel Henry, the founder here at Writers Atelier, and I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 1-minute video. So today the theme on our Instagram page is about reigniting your writing dream when it's been a while and recommitting yourself to not only that dream, maybe it might be a project that you haven't worked on in a long time. One of the things I notice about writers is that they tend to get stuck when they've fall off the wagon, when they've not been writing, when life gets in the way, because we all have hectic lives and a lot of us are working full time. Many of us have families. So one of the things I notice is that writers tend to get a little bit discouraged when they aren't writing as consistently as they like. And basically my reminder to you is that at any point, you're just one decision away from changing all of that. You're one decision away from reigniting that passion for the project, and you're one decision away from starting again and recommitting yourself. And I hope that this video was helpful. I hope that maybe it will inspire you to get back on the wagon or get back on the horse if you have fallen off. All right. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next Motivational Minute. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.